Good morning, guys. Today is October 16th, Thursday. So I was here on Monday to cut some of the shrubs here. It doesn't look like I did much, but I did much. So, and I'm meeting with the guys who are going to remove the shed. So let me go back to the car, get their money. So I'll also see if I can cut some more shrubs. But I think first I have to go to the gym and do some massaging because I'm aching. So let's get their money. So it also seems as if Aqua is here to do their own part of the work. So let me walk through there. So Aqua is the water supply company. Remember, about a week and a half ago, we did our own line. So now, let's see, they let me pass here. The name of their company is Aqua. They provide water. So they must have dug up this place. Let me just... I don't want to disturb them, but they are the ones in charge of connecting water for me. So thank God, that's moving fine. So now let me go to the guys who will remove my shed. And that's the house. You see the house from back here. Okay. Wonder where they're, because I think that's their truck. Okay, they're there. So I will come and cut off these shrubs, or maybe I should even leave it for now. But yeah. So here we are. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I didn't know Aqua was coming. So the Aqua, I didn't know they were coming today, but
okay.
It's good that you were able to pass.
Yeah. Are we okay blocking that mail? Is today mail day by chance?
I have no idea.
Or well,
But
what
I don't
time
think
do they come?
Yeah,
Mail comes every day except for Sunday, but
I thought you wanted to drive into the
into the driveway.
Yeah, because he already gave me permission.
Okay. All right,
It depends on you.
Yeah, we may do that. It might be a little steep.
Oh,
So,
okay, to get on there. Okay.
Yeah.
Whatever works for you.
Okay.
But I already told him, I said yes. So if you need to come up, if you don't need to come up, the usual thing, the mailman, you'll probably see his truck. So you'll know if you have to move.
Yep. Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Can count it.
Thank you.
How long do you think it will take?
A
few hours?
Yeah, a few hours.
Okay.
So we gotta get this thing down and then cut it up, and then we gotta get it up into the truck. So
Okay.
yeah, a few hours. Will you be here the whole time?
Partly because it doesn't even look like I cut anything on Monday. So I'm thinking, when you finish your whole work, I'll know what I need to cut. Then I'll also come and cut something on the other side.
Gotcha.
But for now, I want to there's somewhere I want to go nearby, so I'll be back
Okay.
soon.
Yeah, no worries.
Okay.
Okay.
Um,
We'll get our stuff in.
And you write a receipt for me.
We'll type one up and send it over to you. Is that good?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
Yep. I'll take your email at the end of the.
Okay.
At the end of the
Oh,
job.
you don't have it?
Let me just get it right now. I think.
Okay. Let me.
If you want to, do you want to type it or?
Yeah, I'm doing my YouTube
Gotcha.
thing. If I can type it here.
Yes,
Oh, okay.
yes.
Okay. Then onewheel@yahoo.com.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll get our stuff and get started.
Okay, thank you. So guys, I also want to cut this tree here. There's a lot of things I still have to come and do. I have to come and cut that tree there. So maybe I'll do that this afternoon. I'll probably leave those small shrubs. But all the ones I cut on Monday, let me look. So yeah, this has to go. I don't know if I should start cutting now or I should go to the gym. But this is all the ones I cut on Monday. You see? All this. I work for hours. Cut all this. Cut all this. See? Yeah, I was a real landscaper on Monday. I worked so hard. Cut all these big trees. I even have to go into my neighbor's yard to cut the trees that fell into his yard. So what I'm thinking is if I'm going to do a fence, just, probably, yeah, I still have to cut some of these. Yeah. I have to wear gloves. But I'll still come and do some more cutting. Probably today since I have the car today. So now, by the township law, I can't do my fence further than here. You can't do your fence further than your house. So my fence has to start probably somewhere here. Has to start here. Since this is the front of the house. So the fence has to start here. And then go straight back. So I'll see what they do. And then maybe come back and cut mine. So the ground is a bit solid now. It was very mushy when I came to work. But I cut a lot. I cut a lot. So I'm even wondering whether should I remove it and take it home? Because we have yard waste. Let me just go to the gym nearby here and relax for some time. And then I'll come back and see what they've done. So I thank God for Aqua. Aqua is working hard. They must have started yesterday. Also have a fence. I don't need a fence here since my neighbor's fence is here. So I'll start my fence after his, and go on down straight. Yeah. Everything is coming together, I thank God. Coming together beautifully. So we have to start buying furniture. So we've decided, apart from this being the office, if God wills, we are going to use this. We've heard of furnished finders. So we'll furnish it and we can rent it out on a monthly basis to healthcare professionals. Yeah, so that's the plan for now. But we'll see as things go and as the business goes. So thank you very much for listening. So that is it. I'll cut some more grass, some more shrubs today. Maybe I should remove this completely. I don't know how far behind my property line these shrubs are, because it doesn't look nice. Yeah, I should probably remove everything so that the shrub starts from there. So we just remove everything. So when you get home, you know that your house is clear. Yeah. Maybe I should do that on Saturday. I don't think there's any rain soon. But I'll do a little today too. Or maybe I shouldn't go to the gym. I could go to the gym when I get home. Let me see what I can do today before I leave. So thank you for watching. God bless. And yeah, so we're going to rent out rooms and then also have our office there. So Funny Finders is like an Airbnb but a longer tenancy. So instead of just one day, it will be 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, that kind of rental. You see how it goes. You see how it goes. Thank you so much. My neighbors have been kind. So see how everything goes. Okay, bye.